Hi everybody, welcome back to the baking aisle. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my chocolate ganache. To begin, we'll be needing 150 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips, half a teaspoon of instant coffee, 60 grams of heavy cream, and a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. So sorry guys, I missed the clip where I poured everything in, but it's very simple. Just pour in your hot heavy cream and all the other ingredients, and I'm going to let this sit until it melts. It's been about 10 minutes since this has been sitting, and I'm just going to give it a stir. And if your ganache is not completely melted just like mine, put it in the microwave for another 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, my chocolate is completely melted, and I'm just going to give it a stir. Guys, don't worry if you find this liquidy. As soon as it cools down, the chocolate ganache will be pipeable, okay? So we'll leave it to cool and I'll be right back. My dark chocolate ganache has been sitting in the fridge for about 30 minutes and it is really stiff now. It is ready. And now I'm going to use my hand mixer and give it a good whisk. Just look at that pie-people consistency, guys. Smooth and ready to use for whatever you want to use it for. You'll be needing 140 grams of white chocolate, 45 grams of heavy cream, and a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. To begin, I am going to pour in my vanilla extract into the heavy cream, and then I am going to heat this heavy cream in my microwave for about 45 seconds, and I'm just going to pour it over my white chocolate. And I'm just going to ensure that the white chocolate sits in that hot heavy cream for about 5 minutes. So all you need to do now is stir until the chocolate melts completely. So I still have a few chocolate lumps in there. So I'm going to put this in my microwave for 30 seconds and I'll be back. Okay, my chocolate is completely melted. As you can see, it's pretty smooth. So the next step is to leave this until it comes to room temperature. So I'm going to bring my cling film and I'm just going to place it right over, not the bowl now, but over the ganache. Okay, so I am going to leave this in my fridge to cool down and then we'll be back. Okay guys, my white chocolate ganache has been sitting in the fridge for about 30 minutes and it's all firmed up. Oh my goodness, look how good that is. So smooth and beautiful, and I can tell you it is really delicious. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and if you have not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and when you do, please hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video you'll be notified. Guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and see you in my next one.